Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to put a picture in a frame in Canva. To find frames, go to Elements and use the search bar to look up the shape of the frame you want. I used rectangle, and then from below here I chose frames and then scrolled all the way until I found one that I liked. After this you can take a picture either from this photos section here on Canva or you can upload your own. I'm going to use the Canva option and use this adjust option here to make it only show me vertical pictures, and then I'm just going to drag it within the frame. Alright, this is how you put a picture in a frame on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.